So here are the tires I bought from Walmart. They are the Vercelli Strada 2 all-season tires. There's a size for those tires. They're pretty good-looking tires, actually. It says it doesn't fit the Maserati. Walmart said they don't fit the Maserati. Anyways, so the low tires were considered in the Walmart world, of course, and the reviews are pretty high on the 5 points. I did leave a review on them, you know. They say they ride really good. Look at the reviews. I actually have a very good review here. Let me go back up there. Let's see if I see where I can see more reviews. See if I go front tires that fit my car. Walmart says that the 245/40 R19s are the ones that fit the front of my car. And then it says that the rear tires that fit my car, let's sort them by lowest price. Rear tire, low to high. So low to high, I want to say that this one's here 139, and then it goes high as you see right here, almost $400 a tire. That's the lowest price from Walmart. Let's go to the front tires. Sort by lowest price. Low to high. Done. The cost more the lowest front tires you can put on a Maserati Granturismo, according to this, $80. The Atlas, all weather, all season, C-Tex, and then they go as high. They go of course more varieties for the front tires. Pirellis, and you go as high as probably $400 a tire. Keep going. So there's more options for the front tires. Those 245/40 19, but I got 245 35 19. I'm sorry, 20 on my car. I don't have 19s. See, this is misleading, by the way. Anyways, so the tires that I have on the Maserati 2014 Granturismo are pretty good. So I paid $77.99 for these tires. The cut's really good, as you see right here. The cut's really good. Let's see how they look like on the car.